Wow! Welcome to the beautiful Citrus Private Golf Club, where elegance, beauty, and privacy awaits you. This fabulous Trovita 3-floor plan with 3,102 square feet of living space offers a special blend of 3 ensuite bedrooms wonderfully separated and private, powder room, formal dining room, bonus room to be used however you desire, currently used as an entertainment room with pool table, open great room with lots of windows for enjoying golf course, water, and mountain views. There is an additional bonus room with half bath and closet for that extra stayover. This home has been well maintained and cared for, with newer HVAC units 2018 and 2018, replacement of windows, new tankless water heater. The amazing patio is very private without compromising the incredible views of the 14th fairway, water, and mountain views. This property is beyond great. It's an opportunity for someone to own a wonderful property at a great value.